Hello, my name is Dr. Laura Walker, and I am the track coordinator for the MSN program. Today, I wanted to take some time to tell you a little bit about our MSN program here at JSU and answer some questions that I believe you could have. So, I've composed this presentation based upon questions that students have asked me in the past. So, the MSN is a master's level degree for professional nurses specifically designed to qualify graduates for leadership and teaching positions. In a Master of Science in Population Health nursing program, you will learn how to monitor and study health trends, identify health risk factors, develop and implement health programs and projects that will affect positive change in the community and population, as well as to educate patients about health topics that have the potential to improve overall well-being and save lives. This is just a general description. You will be learning so much more. Nurses with an MSN degree in population health typically work in areas such as government agencies, nonprofit organizations, community health centers, hospitals, clinics, colleges and universities, as well as other organizations improving health at the community level. Our MSN in Population Health program at JSU includes 38 semester hours for program completion. We offer both full-time and part-time plans of study. And so you're probably wondering, what does the curriculum look like? I have 3 slides that present each of the tracks that we have in the MSN program. The first track is the MSN in Population Health, and this is our 38-hour program. It is a 4-semester program for full-time students, and part-time options are also available. The second is our MSN in Population Health with a concentration in nursing education. This is a 53-semester-hour program, and you'll notice it is completed in 7 semesters for full-time students, and of course part-time options are also available. You'll notice here that the MSN and Population Health courses are present, and in addition, there are 5 nurse educator courses that are also taught in this concentration. The third option is our MSN in Population Health with a concentration in Emergency Management. This is our 53-semester-hour program, and it is a 7-semester program for full-time students, and of course part-time options are also available. You'll notice here that our Population Health courses are taught, and in addition to that, 5 Emergency Management courses are also taught in this program. Next, we have some graduate certificates. Our first graduate certificate is in nursing education. It's a 15-semester-hour requirement. You take the 5 nurse educator courses, each 3 hours, for the total of 15 semester hours. The next certificate is in Emergency Preparedness Nursing Coordination. So this is also a 15 semester hours certificate. You take the 5 emergency management courses at 3 hours each for the total of 15 semester hours. I get a lot of questions from students about the MSN practicum and project. 2 of the biggest questions I get asked most often are, when do the practicum experiences begin, and can you tell me about those experiences? So the MSN practicum begins in the course NU 540, which is our Population Health 1 course. This is the course in the next to the last semester of the MSN program, and it's in this course that you must identify a vulnerable population. Examples of vulnerable populations include the elderly, children, homeless, racial or ethnic minorities, socially, economically disadvantaged, underinsured, or those with certain medical conditions. The vulnerable population selected becomes your population of interest. Once in the practicum facility and working with this population, you'll identify an issue of concern within the population, and this becomes the MSN educational project issue. During this course, you will plan and develop your MSN project. This project should be a sustainable project for the facility. The practicum continues in the NU 545 Population Health 2. This course is in the final semester of the MSN program. It is in this course that you implement your MSN educational project. As part of the MSN project, you will also be completing a project paper, PowerPoint presentation, and scholarly poster presentation. And remember, you will be implementing this project in the clinical facility during this semester. In each course, NU 540 and NU 545, you complete 254 clinical practicum and project hours for a total of 508 clinical practicum and project hours for MSN completion. Other questions that students often ask is where do they complete the practicum, what kind of preceptor do they need, and what are some examples of MSN projects. So as far as where you can go to complete the practicum, a lot of students complete the practicum in facilities such as clinics, hospitals, outpatient facilities, and health departments. Preceptors must have an MSN or higher degree and can include clinical nurse specialists, nurse practitioners, nursing administrators or managers, physicians, and others who may be qualified to offer a unique population-based community health experience. These practicing professionals are the clinical experts who guide nurses through day-to-day experiential learning, role model the most appropriate ways to approach population-based needs for health promotion, disease prevention, and community assessments, as well as provide feedback in a variety of clinical settings. Some examples of MSN project topics, population of interest and issues would include things like veterans 65 plus with cancer, adults age 55 plus with declining health following a disaster or event, 65 plus females with hypertension, veterans with opioid dependency, underprivileged adults with diabetes, adult diabetics with food insecurity, veterans with suicide, adults age 65 plus with wounds, adults age 65 plus with congestive heart failure, women with perinatal depression, homeless individuals with hepatitis A. And we could go on and on with this list, but this just gives you some examples of some projects that have been done in the past. The bottom line is, we want you in our MSN program. Join us at the friendliest campus in the South. Again, I'm Dr. Laura Walker, and I am the MSN Track Coordinator. For further information, please contact Ms. Tammy Johnson. She is our Director of Academic Advisement and Certification, and she is the person that develops the plans of study for the program. So I did show the full-time plans of study, but if you are interested in a part-time plan of study, you should contact her for that. And more information, of course, is available online at the website that I've included on the slide. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a marvelous day.